Hi friends, let me show you this new USB-C charger that I received for reviewing purposes. So good because it's a 65 watts charger and it has two USB-C ports. Let me show you. First of all, let me tell you that it's super compact, as you can see. So small, so convenient because the actual plug hides like this. You could even bring it with you in your travels or in your briefcase, wherever you go. And it has two USB-C ports. The first one is aimed for your computer, even for your laptop. And you could charge another accessory in the second one, like your iPhone. Let's try it, okay? Remember that USB-C is becoming more and more common. So we are going to plug a USB-C to USB-C cord for my computer and a USB-C to Lightning for my iPhone. Let me try it. So it's really compact. It goes in any electric plug, of course. Now it's charging my computer and charging my iPhone at the same time. It's a 65 watts. It's compatible also with Samsung Supercharge system. So if you want a new charger for the more common USB-C ports, this is a great option for all your accessories. Thank you.